I'm going to show you guys how to make eggs without using the hot stove. So this is what you'll need. First you need a bowl to mix the eggs in, microwavable. And then you need...
Dad, look at me, Dad.
A knife. You can use a butter knife. Or you can use a spoon. Of course you need eggs. And that's really all you need.
Wow, simple.
Yeah.
I want to do this.
You're not cracking the eggs though.
No, I want to do this.
Okay.
Here's one egg.
Yes.
Careful on the crack. Okay. Oh,
Make sure you don't get any shells in it too.
Why is this
That
so
would be yucky. Oh God, I can't get it.
oh, that egg sounded
I
bad.
don't think I got
I think
it.
it's good.
Okay. Number
two
two.
egg?
Oh, that. Oh, don't get any shells. Don't get. Oh. Okay.
One more?
That I have never cracked
One
an egg.
more?
Nope. We only need 2 if you want it small. Or you can use as many as you want. And then I mix it till it looks all yolky.
Oh, yolky. That looks so yolky.
I want egg. I want
Yesterday
egg.
was actually my first time making these, and it was really good.
1, 3.
I'm short, so I need to go get a chair.
Button.
Okay,
What number?
that one, and then that one, and again. Now press this. And then we wait till it's done.
Yeah. And we wait till it's done, and then Dree just eat it, and then I want to make my own.
This is a great idea for those
I
lazy
see it,
parents
right?
that don't want to make their kids breakfast.
No, don't. Okay, well make sure you
What?
have
Goofy.
Don't touch it with your hands. You could, if you have one of these, then do that so you don't get burnt. And I almost touched. I touched the eggs with it.
My hand is bigger. My hand is bigger. No, I'm just too small.
Oh, you tricked me, dude.
I know.
Comment down below if you've made eggs like this before. Now it's time to enjoy the yummy egg.
Hey.
Here comes the
Might be a
daddy
little
taste
hot.
test. Mmm,
I'll try it.
tastes like an egg. Good job, Dree.
Can I
Ryan taste test.
try it? Mmm.
Is it good?
Now give me my eggs. There it is, guys. A nice, easy, and safe way to make kids, guys. Kids, guys. I can't say it.
Take 3.
So there it is, guys. A nice, easy way to make eggs. Salty. Until the next time, stay happy, stay weird. Peace.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to hit us up on Instagram. Also, please check out more of our videos. Haha, yeah.